Hello my fellow Korean skincare lovers, welcome back to KOJA Beauty. Today I have another brand new product that I want to talk about, and it's the Gilla8 Dual Superpower Radiance Essence Booster. I came across Gilla only a few weeks ago, and they are a new Korean skincare brand that is not only cruelty-free but also vegan, so of course I had to try them out, and I will do a brand review in the coming weeks, so make sure to stay tuned for that as well. So in today's video I'm going to review the Radiance Essence Booster, and this is such a unique product and I don't think I've ever seen anything like this essence in Korean skincare before. You can see right away that there are two types of liquids in this essence, and that's because it has an oil and a water-based part. So before you use it, you need to shake it really well so both parts get mixed together. It does feel like an oil on the skin, but because it's mixed with the water-based part of the essence, it makes it more lightweight and also absorbs more easily into the skin. So what is this essence supposed to do? On the packaging it says that to counteract the imbalance of modern life, boost your skin's high-powered daily recovery process with a dual super complex. Now let's check the ingredients list and see what this essence has to offer. One of the top ingredients in the list is niacinamide, and it's one of my favorite ingredients as well because it has some amazing skin benefits like brightening up the complexion, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, as well as minimizing pores and controlling sebum. Right after that in the ingredients list we have arbutin, which is a skin brightening ingredient that also targets hyperpigmentation and dark spots. This essence also features two types of vitamin E, tocopherol acetate and tocopherol, which are great for anti-aging and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. You'll also find vitamin C and adenosine. Again, these are great for anti-aging. And for the oil component of this essence, there's a blend of 8 different types of oils, from sunflower seed oil to soybean oil, macadamia seed oil and argan oil. This essence has a lot of incredible ingredients that are amazing for your skin, and I can't wait to give this a proper try. There's a but, there are two ingredients that I wish it didn't contain, and those are fragrance and alcohol, because those two can potentially irritate those with very sensitive skin. Overall, just looking at the ingredients, I think this Radiance Booster has a lot of potential. I'm not the biggest fan of oils, but I have to admit that this absorbs pretty easily and quickly into the skin. But now that it's summertime, I do feel like it's going to be a little bit too rich for me to use during the daytime, so I'll be using this for my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm really excited about trying out this product. I think that it's very promising. What do you guys think of the Gilla8 Radiance Essence Booster? Would you give it a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!